Hello everyone, my name is Evelin Lindner. I'm the founding president of the Human Dignity and Humiliation Studies Network and one of the initiators of the World Dignity University Initiative. I would like to share with you one field of interest that I have in my work, this role of human rights ideals for honor, dignity, shame and humiliation. And I have written extensively on that topic, and there is one article that addresses this specifically on the website that you can download from there, how the human rights ideal of equal dignity separates humiliation from shame. What is specific about my personal path is that I have lived globally, and I observe the following. Science, at least until recently, has been dominated by Western scholars. Therefore, much research is situated in Western cultural context. A Western scholar typically begins research within his or her cultural setting and then makes some allowances for historic or cultural variations. I see it in the United States at the moment, since there are many Asian students now studying at American universities. We have now Asian culture, coming into the field of study, because it is possible for a professor to have Asian studies and American studies and compare them, put them into experiments and compare them. In my work, I have a completely different approach. I have immersed myself in the cultures of this world in a very different way, and I have developed an inner view and model of the place in time where we as a human family find ourselves now, and how we got there and what it means. And the central point for this article or this topic now is that shame and humiliation are not ahistorical emotional processes, but historical, cultural, social, emotional constructs that change over time. They're different in different cultures. Humiliation began to separate out from the humility, shame, humiliation continuum around 300 years ago, when the meaning of the word to humiliate changed profoundly. We have in the English language evidence in the encyclopedia. In 1757, the meaning of to humiliate for the first time in the English language meant to violate somebody's dignity. Prior to that, 1757, to humiliate was the same as to humble. It was to show a lowly person her due place. So about 250 years ago, 300 years ago, the meaning of to humiliate, of humiliation, changed dramatically. And there are two mutually excluding concepts of humiliation in use today around the world. One that is the traditional one, and one that is a new one. And many researchers confound this because they are not somehow as close to the global or the historical journey that human family has traveled through, and the shifts in zeitgeist, what they mean. So I would be very, very happy if you were to have a look at this article and share your reflections. Thank you very much.